Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be comparing Clickworker with Appen. So let's get right into it. Clickworker is beginner friendly. Sign up takes a few assessments and you start earning. The interface is clean and mobile friendly. It keeps things simple. As you can see, not many customization options, but tasks are neatly categorized. We talk about SEO and growth. Voiceover Clickworker is perfect for side cash with limited growth potential. You're capped by available tasks. If you talk about pricing and monetization, it pays per task, small jobs like writing, surveys, or categorizing images. Rates vary but expect at around $3 to $10 per hour depending on task flow. So if we compare Clickworker with Appen, Appen is basically a more complex. You apply for long-term projects and wait for approval. It can feel slow if you are new. It also has a dashboard, can be a bit cluttered, especially with multiple project portals. But once you're in, it's detailed and professional. It offers long-term projects, training, and performance-based progression, which is better for scaling your income over time. Now, if we talk about pricing, Appen offers higher paying projects, sometimes up to $15 or $15 per hour or more. But the thing is, getting accepted can take time and patience. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing Appen with Clickworker. Thank you so much for watching.